Hello friends and welcome back to the Radiator channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lian Li Fanless Hidden Flow 360 TL water cooling radiator. So friend, Lian Li has announced the Fanless Hidden Flow 360 TL water cooling radiator in the Chinese market, available in black and white variant. And this radiator offers users the flexibility to customize their cooling setup by purchasing and installing 120 magnetic fan separately. Price is approximately 143 USD. So friend, the design of Hidden Flow 360 TL emphasizes both aesthetic and functionality. The radiator measures 403 into 124.5 into 27 mm, while the cold head dimensions are 72 into 72 into 59 mm, and the side-mounted water cooling tube enhance the overall layout, ensuring efficient heat distribution. And additionally, the cold head is equipped with 2.88-inch LCD panel with a resolution of 480 into 480 pixel, and the display support parameter adjustment and configuration through Lian Li L-Connect3 software, allowing users to monitor and fine-tune their cooling performance efficiency compared to the version with a built-in fan. The fanless hidden flow 360 TL provide greater customization opportunity and reduce initial installation cost. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.